morning, students. Today we are going to start our lesson number 2, phrases. As you know, the sentence which gives the complete sense is called sentence. But today we are talking about phrases. A group of words which makes sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. A phrase does not contain a predicate either expressed or understood. For example, they sat on a wall. So, on a wall having the meaning, but it doesn't give the complete sense. So, it's called phrase. Phrase become meaningful when they are part of a sentence. When we add they sat gives the complete sense and it become a complete sensible sentence. They sat on a wall. It means phrase need something to complete. Now there is kinds of phrases. Phrases are of three kinds. First, adjective phrases. Second, adverb phrases. Third, noun phrases. First, we are going to discuss about adjective phrase. As you know, adjective describes something. So, examine that sentence. It is a golden ring. And same meaning comes in it also. It is a ring made of gold. The groups of words of gold tells us of what sort of the ring is. It qualifies the noun ring just as an adjective does. It therefore does the work of an adjective and is called an adjective phrase. Put tick to that list of adjective and adjective phrases. You have to learn that. Read that first one, a blank page and a page with no writing on it. Both have sentence having both words, group of words having the same meaning. You have to learn all that points. Now come to second, adverb phrase. The work of an adverb is often done by a group of words. For example, here, he ran quickly. How he ran? Quickly. He ran with great speed. How he ran? With great speed. So both the sentence having the same meaning. The group of words with great speed tells us how he ran. It modifies the verb ran just as the adverb quickly does. It therefore does the work of an adverb and is called an adverb phrase. So underline the definition, students. An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. You have to learn all that adverb phrases beautifully, and adverb phrases is in a beautiful style, bravely, in a brave manner. All that you have to learn. Now examine the following sentences and notice the work done by the phrase in each. Both the sentence shows the different phrases. First one, a house on island was washed away. Second, they live on an island. Now come to that first sentence. The phrase on an island tells us which house was washed away. That is, it qualifies the noun house. It is therefore an adjective phrase. Now let's check the second sentence. The phrase on an island tells us where they live. That is, it modifies the verb live. It is therefore an adverb phrase. Hence, we can see that the same phrase may be an adjective phrase in one sentence and an adverb phrase in another sentence. Now come to third part, that is noun phrases. The man wants something. Second sentence, he hopes to win the first prize. Now first sentence, the word something is a noun and it is the object of the verb wants. Second sentence, the group of words to win the first prize is the object of the verb hope. Hence, this group of words does the work of a noun. The group of words to win the first prize is therefore a noun phrase. Underline the definition. A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of a noun. Now come to exercise A. Thinking good thoughts makes a good man. The group of word in italics is a which phrase? Noun phrase. Thinking good thoughts shows the noun phrase. Second, a phrase does not contain a predicate. Now try to solve that other exercises. I'll give the answers to you afterwards. Thank you, students.